Electricity has become an essential point in our lives. Without it, we could not do things as elementary to life as we know it today. But did you know the way we produce electricity today will affect the year 2100, year in which experts say natural environmental disasters with irreversible damages will be triggered unless we do something now to stop it. To determine whether any energy source is clean or not, we take a look to 5 main criteria. First, extraction. Second, process. Third, transport. Fourth, consumption. And fifth, waste treatment. If the energy source in question fails at any of these points, it cannot be a clean energy. Today, the most widely used energy sources are hydrocarbons and coal, producing about 88% of the electricity in all the world with these sources. If we take a look to the previous criteria, we will find out they are not clean. But it was the year 1955 and the world had just gone through one of its worst wars in history. Mexico took advantage of this situation and began a period of modernization and industrialization, being the energy sector where it stood out the most worldwide, thanks to oil fields located all across the country. But 75 years have passed since then. The energy and environmental requirements in the world have changed. Oil powers like the United Arab Emirates have been investing large amounts of money in renewable energies. Only in April of this very year, the price per barrel of oil presented for the first time in its history negative prices. Also, environmental awareness campaigns have been taking place all around the world. And what is going on in Mexico? Well, let me tell you that Mexico still continue betting a lot of large amounts of money on this type of sources. This, from the experts' point of view, it's a complete mistake, as the American continent consumes 36% of the electricity produced globally, being the residential commercial sector the most demanding. So this means this is not a topic to say, oh, it's because of the big corporations, or oh, it's because of the government. No, this is a problem much more closer to us than we would expect. Especially in Mexico, the country produces 30% of its annual carbon dioxide emissions just thanks to electricity generation. This not to mention the wood combustion carried out in communities without access to electricity services, being the wood burning one of the most aggressive practices for the atmosphere.